News, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. 2027, Tinubu shops for Yakubo's replacement as INEC chairman, as northern Nigeria and many ask that Yakubo must go. His tenure is over. So this is what is happening, my lovely, wonderful people. 2027, as it stands, Yakubo will not be the one to Yakubu will not be the one to go ahead and contest or conduct the election as the INEC chairman. His tenure is over. Tinubu still kept him, and right now what you can see is that it's quite a different story altogether as everybody begins to watch and wait patiently to see what the next lines of actions will be. So right now, Tinubu is shopping for a replacement. But truth be told, many Nigerians have asked again and again why the president will be the one to pick who will mark his exam sheet. What do you expect? You think he will go against, the person will go against, the president who pays his salary for it, and the president is going for a second tenure? You think the person will go against the president who is paying his salary? Think about it. The president appoints you. You are to judge in a case that he's in, and you want to go against him. How is that possible? I don't understand how they pick this. The president will pick the INEC chairman, and yet they want the INEC chairman to judge fairly, without any form of any form of interaction or being honest and sincere and transparent. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. 2027, Tinubu shops for Yakubo's replacement as INEC chairman, as many more ask for him to go. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is facing a critical decision in appointing a replacement for Yakubo Mahmood, the outgoing chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. With Yakub tenure ending in November, there are concerns about a plot to compromise the 2027 general election by appointing a replacement successor who will be loyal to Tinubu. They've always been loyal to whoever appoints them, so I don't understand. According to a report by the Vanguard on Thursday, March the 27, 2025, sources close to the president indicate that he is aware of the importance of credible polls and is seeking a replacement who will ensure the integrity of the electoral process. However, there are fears that powerful forces, including a former South-South, are pushing for a candidate who will undermine the Independent National Electoral Commission. However, the North says it's a lie. Whoever the president appoints is already loyal to the president. There is no words that such a person will be uncompromised. Already, he has loyalty to the person who appointed him. The appointment of a credible chairman is crucial in rebuilding trust in INEC, which has been eroded in the eyes of Nigeria by recent controversies, including manufacturing of the Memorial Voter Accreditation System (BVAS) and results viewing portal during 2023 general election, which they never accurately used. Nigerians are questioning who these people are and what their integrity in terms of our election process. Whether INEC chairman remains or goes, Nigerians cannot be bothered, because the truth is, over time, we have seen how disturbing these people, their position has been. None of them really stands for the honest truth in terms of reflecting what the values of Nigerians. We all know what is happening. We all know that these people, again and again, they all have a sense of entitlement. When somebody brings you in, so you mean the person is contesting for an election, and what you can do to the person is to take out the person. It doesn't work that way. So let's call a spade, and let's be sincere and honest to ourselves. The days upon us are so critical, and everyone who is lying to Nigerians knows exactly what is going on. So let's not deceive ourselves. Let's be honest for once, and let's really look at it objectively. How did we get here? And if we're going to be honest, we know that the likes of Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, Kwankwaso, Tinubu, and others are coming into the 2027 space. Okay? Are coming to the 2027 space. If INEC chairman is going, who is going to be the next INEC chairman? And then if the next INEC chairman comes, is it going to be really, somebody without any form of biases? Somebody appoints you in, is looking for a second tenure, and you tell the person that he was not qualified or he did not meet the benchmark. Think about it. Think about it. So that's what is happening right now. So whether they like it or not, they are continuous trying to infiltrate and tell us that they are fighting for the masses. Is a no-no. We all know exactly what is happening. We all know exactly what's going on. And the truth of it is, until they begin to, reflect the principles of honesty, transparency, and sincerity, I don't know how true and how quick we're going to be getting out of this. So Nigerians, the days upon us are so glary, and every single person needs to understand and ensure that we rise up to the occasion and bring Nigeria out of the present predicament. Every single one of us knows that we cannot afford, this bunch of liars who come and they tell us again and again that, they want to, lead Nigerians and they want to help this country to be better. We all have a sense of duty to ensure that we do what is needed, relevant, and, we bring out the nation from the current spare, of wrong, all shades of wrong going on. There are so many issues right now that are going on, and Tinubu himself knows that if he continues in this vein, in this way, how are we going to honestly, sincerely, stop, this manipulation? They are coming at us and they are telling us they want to lead, but the truth of it is, are they really sincere? Tinubu came in and Nigeria has been worse off since he came in. Are these the people we want to, are these the people we are associating with? How are we going to truly be transparent for once and have honest opinions on making Nigeria a better place? Every one of us understand it. And the truth is, until we say no, to this oppressive situation, until we rise up and say no, we don't know how soon we're going to be getting out of all of this. So it is a matter of serious concern that every one of us, do what is needed to prove that indeed we are a people who wants this nation to be transformed. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now. Remember, you have a voice and we must continue to speak out the truth. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.